Be ready for dictation. 5 seconds.
Start. Being aggrieved by the aforesaid award passed by the Industrial Tribunal, the appellant board preferred a writ petition in the High Court of Allahabad, which was entertained and was heard on merit. Full stop. The learned single judge, by his judgment and order dated 27/10/2005, dismissed the writ petition, holding that no interference was called for. Full stop. It was held by the learned single judge that the tribunal rightly came to the conclusion that the workman had actually worked as boiler mistri and had discharged superior functions of the post, which was equal to that of fitter. Full stop. Para. Mr. Pradeep Misra, learned counsel appearing for the appellant board, submitted before us that the respondent workman was made aware of his status and position through the appointment letter issued to him, making it clear that he had been appointed to the post of boiler overhauling mechanic, which he accepted and had also received all the benefits on the basis of the said pay scale. Full stop. It was submitted that having accepted the aforesaid position, the respondent cannot turn back and claim for change in his pay scale on the ground of equal pay for equal work. Full stop. It was also submitted by him that the duties and responsibilities attached to the post of fitter or boiler mistri are much more higher than that of the duties and responsibilities attached to the post of boiler overhauling mechanic, and therefore, the tribunal as also the learned single judge were not justified in holding that the duties and responsibilities of the aforesaid posts are similar. Full stop. Para. It was further submitted that there is no evidence or material placed on record to substantiate that duties and responsibilities attached with the post of fitter or boiler mistri are similar and identical in all respects to that of the duties and responsibilities attached to the post of boiler overhauling mechanic, and in absence of clear evidence in that regard, it was appropriate on the part of both the learned single judge of the High Court as also of the learned industrial tribunal to pass an award in favor of the workman. Full stop. Para. Mr. A.P. Mohanty, learned counsel appearing for the respondent workman, however, sought to justify both the award as also the judgment and order of the learned single judge upholding the award, contending inter alia that from the pleadings of the parties and dispositions records by the labor code, full stop, if it is possible to come to the conclusion that both the posts carry and same duties and responsibilities or identical responsibilities and status, then the tribunal could have and accordingly has rightly passed the award in favor of the workman. Full stop. Para. In order to appreciate the aforesaid contentions, we have carefully scrutinized the records, including the documents and the dispositions. Full stop. We have carefully analyzed the findings recorded by the tribunal in paragraph 12 of the award, full stop. In the said paragraph, comma, the tribunal recorded that the issue is to be determined to whether the workman Aziz Ahmed is doing similar work as that of the work of fitter or boiler mistri. Full stop. Over.